Hello students, let us solve this problem from CSIR-NET. So here they say Pnx be a polynomial of degree n with real coefficients where n goes from 0, 1 to 3, and you have been given this ortho normality relation, and then we need to get the expression for P1, which is the polynomial of degree 1. So let us say P1x polynomial of degree 1 is equal to say C1x C2, and now I need to use this relation. So I write P0x polynomial of degree 0, and this should be the constant because it's a 0 degree. And now I can normalize this P0x here, and I can find the value of C0. So you have 2 4 2 4 P0 square x dx, and this should be 1. So this gives me c naught square 4 2 dx equals to 1. And now this gives me c naught square. This gives me 4 minus 2 equals to 1. So my c0 become under root plus minus 2. So we got the value of c0, and c0 is equal to what? P0 x. So now we can use this one in this integration condition, and we can find the P1x. So now P1 and P0 are orthogonal. So I can write 2 4 C0, that is P0 x, P1 x is this one, C1x plus C2 dx should be equal to 0 here. This should be 0. And now C0 is 1 by root 2. So this becomes, this will go here, it will become 0. So now 1 by root 2 plus minus 2 4, you have a C1x plus C2 dx equals to 0. And this gives me, integrate this one, C1 x square by 2 plus C2 x from 4 to, this is 0. And this gives me 4 16 8 C1 plus 4 C2 minus 2 C1 and minus 2 C2 equals to 0. And this gives me 6 C1 plus 2 C2 equals to 0. And this says C2 is equal to minus 3 C1. Okay. So I got only one constant here, and I can normalize this P1, and I can find the expression for P1. Now my P1x becomes C1x, and C2 is minus 3C1. So this becomes C1x minus 3. This is my P1x. And now just normalize this P1 using this condition. 2 4 P1 square x should be equal to 1. So C1 square 4 to x minus 3 square, that is x square minus 6x plus 9 dx equals to 1. And C1 square, this become x cube by 3 minus 6x square by 2, that is 3x square 9x, limit 4 to, and this is 1. And now you use C1 square, this is 64 by 3 minus 4 for 16, 16 into 3, 48. And then you have 36. And then you have minus 8 by 3. Then minus plus 4, 12. plus 12, and then you have a minus 18. So, and this is equal to 1, and C1 square. So, this is minus 48, 36, 48 cancels out. Okay. And now we have a 64 minus 8 minus 54, 3 equals to 1. And this gives me 2 by 3. C1 square 2 by 3, 8, 54, 62, 1. So C1 become plus minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So my P1x becomes now P1x, this one, P1x. Already here, x minus 3 is there. X minus 3 is there. Okay. And then you have plus minus root 3 by 2. Plus minus root 3 by 2. So if you take minus common, that will be plus minus, again plus minus 3 minus x. So this should be the answer. Okay. This should be the answer. Okay. So thank you very much.